Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn science revision. FA1 revision Nana. First, tick the correct answer. Practice tick the correct answer. How many lessons tick the correct answer? 2 lessons about tick the correct answer. First lesson, food and digestion, and second lesson, teeth and microbes. Tick the correct answers. Tick the correct answers. Practice. Next, the second bit, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. 2 lessons about fill in the blanks. Food and digestion and teeth and microbes. Third one, question and answers. Total question and answers. 2 lessons about question and answers. Perfect. Learn with spellings. Next, fourth bit, diagrams. How many diagrams there? 3 diagrams. What are they? Here see. Digestive system. Digestive system and structure of tooth. Structure of tooth and kinds of microbes. Kinds of microbes. Kinds of microbes. These are the 4 types of microbes. What are they? Protozoan, bacteria, viruses, fungi. These are the 4 kinds of microbes. These you can draw protozoa diagram, bacteria diagram, viruses diagram, fungi diagram. Okay. Tick the correct answer. Fill in the blanks. Question and answers. Diagrams. Digestive system diagram. Structure of tooth diagram. Kinds of microbes. Protozoan. Kinds of microbes. These are the 4 kinds of microbes. Protozoan, bacteria, viruses, fungi. These 4 diagrams also practice. Okay. These 4 diagrams means 4 structures. Protozoa structure, bacteria structure, virus structure and fungi structure. Okay. First tick the correct answer. 2 lessons I can tick the correct answer. Once check it. Eggs, fish, cheese, peas and pulses are called as bodybuilding foods, energy giving foods, protective foods. Bodybuilding foods. These are protective foods. Which food are the protective foods? Bread and butter, peas and pulses, fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. Calcium, potassium, sodium, iodine and iron are examples of minerals. From the mouth, the food passes through the food pipe into the stomach. Do not wash vegetables and fruits after cutting them. And next question, second lesson bit part. Second lesson, tick the correct answer. The 4 chisel-shaped teeth at the front of each jaw are canines, incisors, molars, premolars. Which one? Yes, incisors. The 4 front teeth, the chisel-shaped front teeth are called as incisors. We use these teeth to tear pieces of food. Incisors, canines, molars, premolars. Canines. Okay. Which of the following is used to clean between 2 teeth? Dental floss, toothbrush, toothpaste, nutcracker. Dental floss. The number of grinding teeth in each jaw is 6. Okay. Tooth decay causes thirst, bad breath, hunger, itching. Bad breath. Okay. Next is first lesson, fill in the blanks. First lesson, fill in the blanks. Page number 11 low. Food rich in carbohydrates and fats are called as energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food. Which one? Yes, carbohydrates and fats are energy giving food. Next, roughage is fiber, fat, protein in our body. Roughage is the fiber in our body. Okay. Digested food is absorbed by the blood vessels of the small intestine, stomach, large intestine. Which one is correct? Yes, small intestine. Next, second lesson, fill in the blanks. Eating too many sweets or fruits causes tooth decay. Sweets is correct answer. Diseases causing microbes are called germs and microorganisms. Germs. And pneumonia and typhoid are caused by bacteria, virus. Bacteria. Dash yeast germs are used to make bread soft. Yeast are used to make bread soft. And fungi grow on decaying matter and cause diseases like ringworm and dash, athlete's foot and chicken pox. Athlete's foot. This is the second lesson. Fill in the blanks. Next, question and answers. Both lesson question and answers. Means first lesson how many questions there? 5 question and answers there. How many questions there? First lesson 5 question and answers. And second lesson also have 5 question and answers. Total 10 question and answers must and should practice with spellings. Okay, next diagrams. Digestive system diagram. It is a digestive system diagram. You can draw this digestive system diagram and label it parts. Okay, and keep the parts. Mouth, food pipe, liver, stomach, large intestine, pancreas, small intestine, and anus. Okay. Next, structure of tooth. How many layers of structure of tooth? 3 layers. How many parts? 3 parts. Parts are the crown, neck, root. These are the parts of tooth. Layers: enamel, dentin, and pulp. These are the 3 layers of tooth. You can draw these structure of tooth. Structure of tooth diagram and human digestive system. Next, kinds of microbes means types of microbes. How many types? 4 types. What are they? Here's it. Bacteria, viruses, protozoa, fungi. You can practice bacteria structure, viruses structure, protozoa structure, fungi structure. Okay, these 4 structures also practice. This is the total FA1 revision. 2 lessons tick the correct answer, 2 lessons fill in the blanks, 2 lessons question and answers, and diagrams. Digestive system diagram, structure of tooth diagram, and kinds of microbes. These are the 4 types of kinds: protozoa, bacteria, viruses, fungi. These 4 structures also practice. Have you understand, children? Yes. Thank you so much.